Hello friends, welcome to Temple's War Recipes. Today we bring you a very simple recipe, but it's delicious. We're gonna make a cornbread. This is my mom's recipe, but did you know that corn was domesticated in Mexico around 6,000 years ago? Corn was very famous around Mesoamerica, which goes all the way from Costa Rica to southern United States. It's been a staple in many cuisines, and it's delicious. I'm gonna show you how to do my recipe, so let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need are 3 pounds of corn, about 4 corn husks, 2 sticks of butter, 6 eggs, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 6 tablespoons of milk, half a tablespoon of vanilla, and this one is optional. The first step, using a knife, I'm going to remove all the kernels from our corn. Once we get all our corn kernels, I have them in a bowl. And now we're going to sift our flour. We're going to add our baking powder. We're sifting everything together. And this is going to help us make our batter smoother. Now in a blender, we're going to add all our corn. And we're going to add our milk, which is going to help us when we blend it. After a few seconds, our corn mixture is ready. In our mixer, we're gonna add our butter. I melted it a little bit in our microwave, and we're gonna add our sugar. Now we're gonna cream our butter and our sugar. This is gonna take a few minutes. Then we're gonna start adding our eggs, 1 or 2 at a time. We wanna make sure that this mixture is really incorporated. And once we have that, we're going to start adding our corn. This is optional, but I'm going to add my vanilla. In a pan, I'm going to spray it with oil, and using a napkin, I'm going to cover all the sides and add a little bit of flour to cover everything to bake our cornbread. Once our pan is ready, we're going to add our corn mixture. We're going to tap our pan to release any air. And then we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes. As our cornbread is in the oven, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you want to know when new videos are coming, click on the bell to receive notifications. Also, leave us your comments and let us know how we're doing. You can also request for recipes that you want us to try. And if you enjoy this video, give us a like at the end. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And now, let's get back. After the time has passed, we're going to remove our cornbread from the oven. It smells delicious and looks great. I'm going to put it in a wire rack to cool down for at least 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, we're gonna unmold it. I'm gonna flip it around. Oh, it looks great. For serving, I'm gonna cut it into squares. And our cornbread is done. It smells delicious. Let's give it a try. The sweetness of the corn, fluffy and moist. It is perfect for any barbecue. As a dessert, you can put some jam on it. You can put some honey. It's just delicious. Give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.